Hi guys, today I'm cleaning up my backyard with Fatima. So now I'm cutting the brown tree.
Come here. And all it's this, and now it's cherry. Eat cherry.
Look all of the brown leaves. Fatima, pick up the leaves.
That's the big leaf.
Yeah, put inside that leaf.
Big cherry. Put apa ya? Come here. Come here. I put this leaf. It's so sticky. Like
Now I'm
cherry.
gonna pick up all the leaves.
Like,
Okay, let's pick up the leaves. These leaves, they come from the tree, and some come from our neighbor because it was poking out from the gate. Wait. And some of them are from the trees, like the brown one. Let me show you. Come here. This one.
it's that. See that? No.
Haha is not here right now because she's recording.
Yes. Come on. Follow sheep everything but shop.
Yeah, watch the other channel. I mean the video. Fatima, pick up the leaves. Don't play with them.
That cherry.
This is not cherry, Fatima. It's some grass. A lot of leaves. I saw an ant house over there. Come on, let's see. Look, there's an ant house over here. Ew, my finger's orange. I'm gonna go wash it. Remember to always wash your hands. Okay? There's a building up there. Over here.
50%. See, at this or this L.
There's nothing.
O A B U A
There's nothing over there, Fatima.
B Yang Bo Ba Bang. F C L
Elephant. Kolo bee? What's that?
What is that?
Over there. There's some ant and look at mine.
B U
There's some ants.
L E
Where's the ants? Wait, some ant here.
B.
Now you pick up the leaves.
Of course not.
Pick up the leaves.
I don't know.
So I'm cleaning all of that. This is the front of our backyard. Go.
What is this? What is this?
There's nothing over there.
A, B, L, E,
Fatima, you're wearing it the wrong way. I'll do it for you.
You're wearing the wrong way of slipper.
Come here.
It doesn't matter.
You're wearing the wrong way. Look, how are you wearing it? Ah.
L,
Pa, can you wear it for her?
Huh?
Wear it.
Wear it.
Wear the
Open it.
slippers.
Oh my god, it's just a breaking in your slipper.
Sandals. Let me do it. I'll hold the camera. Don't cover the camera.
The wrong way.
Okay, get up. Get up.
Cannot.
You can.
Pretty big, Fatima.
Get up properly. Go your slippers.
Color B. Color. Shut up. Fatima, are you happy? Color E. No. Why not happy? But you're not partial.
You not read?
Not partial.
What are you saying, Fatima?
Coral potato.
Get up.
Up, girl.
It's too heavy.
Come on. Can you hold the camera right now?
Pick up these.
Follow me.
Go where? There's nothing over there.
L.
Hello.
U. E.
There's a lot of ants here.
E. You put M. B.
Pick up the leaves now. Pick up the leaves.
Some rocks here, pink and white rocks, and we got some of the shiny rocks.
Pick up the leaves. Pick up the leaves.
So shiny.
One leaf.
Wow. Beautiful. I shot up. I shot up. This is my shoes. That's the video that I drew last time.
You didn't even wear those shoes. You wear slippers.
No, this one. I'm calling this one.
Yeah, you wear slippers.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah.
Oh my god, your face is ripped. Cover it a little bit. I can see your butt.
My
Get up.
There are 2 layers of clothes. This, and this, all of these. So
This is our house.
If the small shoes are gonna pop here. But actually, this is my shoes. I'm not using anymore because it's already broken. So I'm not popping.
It's still reusable. Let me see.
It's already broke. I can't use it anymore.
You can.
Can't.
Those are my old shoes. Don't look at them. Since we're not going to school, so my shoes are getting old and dirty.
That's my shoes. I'll open my shoes.
No, those are not your shoes.
That's pirate shoes. Yeah, that's
Pirate?
Yeah. That's pirate shoes.
No boys, only girls.
Yeah. Wait, this channel is flowers. That means it's sick girl. I'm so happy. It's so happy. Funny.
Give me that. Hey, you. You're supposed to be cleaning right now. What are you doing?
can't just leave it dirty on this
So we put our shoes and slippers outside because we have like another rack over there, but it's full of shoes, right?
Yeah, sheep.
Yeah.
Look at sheep.
Yeah. Sometimes a cat sleeps over there.
I saw Gary.
You don't like cats?
No. But I have to go wash my hair because my hand's really dirty.
You can wash your hand after we clean up. We're not finished cleaning up yet.
Another one.
Look at that. Whoa. Is that really big? Let me go in. Okay, so that's all for our video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.